Good afternoon, viewers. This is the unboxing of this Lexus Android video interface here. Okay, so the cartoon. And yes, and you should mention, this variant interface box could only be installed on Lexus with no original navigation. Okay, let's open it first. So many harnesses and head units. Okay, this is the Android video interface box itself. Very typical VIP switches and connectors here, and here are another design, different connectors. Let's put it here. These are the connectors behind head unit here. All of these are here. And here is the connectors behind the monitor. All of these two need to get the CAN bus signal from car and be transferred to this box. Let's go ahead. The LVDS connector. You must be very familiar with these two connectors. To transfer the signal from screen to a car head unit. Okay, this part is to here. Touch signal transfer. If you want to use the aftermarket touch screen, this needs to be installed too. USB. This USB mainly used to fit with the computer mouse or USB drive or CarPlay. Some CarPlay and optional list here. Okay, magic sticker. And here these two harnesses. It's only be used if you want to use the aftermarket rear view or the surround view camera, or if you want to use the rear view, headrest monitor display. This is crucial. GPS antenna. Look, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. That's the unboxing of this. Thank you.